can you please introduce yourself?
Yes. Hello, my name is Cindy. I'm 12 years old. I'm in class 6B at Kwangson Secondary School. My favorite sport is badminton.
Okay, that's great, Cindy. How many people do you have in your family?
There are 4.
Who are they?
They are dad, mom, brother, and me.
Okay, let's look at these cities. Okay, Cindy, which city is this?
It's Hanoi in Vietnam.
This?
It's Tokyo in Japan.
This?
It's London in England.
And this?
It's New York in America.
Okay, which one is your favorite city? Which one do you like?
I like Hanoi
Why do you like Hanoi?
because it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. What's it famous for?
It's famous Hoàng Kiếm Lake.
For the lake. Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's talk about your city. Which city do you live in?
I live in Tam Điệp.
Okay, tell me more about Tam Điệp.
The people are friendly and helpful.
That's great. What about the food?
The food is cheap and delicious.
Cheap and delicious. That's great. Let's talk about your favorite sports. What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is badminton.
How often do you play badminton?
I play badminton once a week.
Once a week, okay? What do you need to play badminton? What equipment do you need to play badminton? What equipment do you need to play badminton? Do you need a racket?
Yes.
And
Shuttlecock.
And
Mm,
okay, racket, shuttlecock, and net. Okay. Okay. What equipment do you need to play badminton?
It's shot court.
I need
It's shot court,
shuttlecock,
racket, and
net.
net.
Okay, that's good. Okay, how many players play badminton?
There are 2 players.
2 players or?
4 players.
Okay, 2 or 4 players. Okay, that's good. Do you like badminton? That's yes. Why do you like badminton?
Because it makes me healthy.
Healthy. That's good. That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good.